wrong with you, my guy?
Are you normal?
I'm normal.
What are you doing?
This is just how I look. This is what I carry every day.
What you hand? What you are saying? Something. What is this?
This is my clothes. This is what I wear every day. Table and a light.
You have punishment?
Yes.
Who is punish you?
I lost the match.
Oh, who is punish? Who is you are under the table? Use this punishment.
So if I beat you in the match, you had to do a handstand on your head.
Go finish punishment after you finish combat.
No, we're good. You and me now. Now.
Yes, now.
Now.
Meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
Nothing country.
Nothing country? Oh my god, are you alien?
Yeah? Where
Are you
from?
alien? Huh?
I am not alien. Nothing. What?
Nothing. Oh.
I'm normal.
One match, let's go.
Out.
Out?
I'm from the space.
From what?
From space.
Ethiopia. Call him my sister. Call him my
Yes,
very well.
Fuck. What are you talking about? Oh my god. Nice to meet you. Nice to so beautiful. Must breaking news.
What is happening?
Please like something breaking news. I don't know what about this. Baba, you do I know what I'm gonna cut this.
Are you?
Sorry. Something under the table. Sorry.
Okay. What's going on over
Where
here?
from? Where from?
I'm from America.
Oh my god. You know Baba Haji?
No.
Then come on. Which state do you live?
California.
Oh, you know Burtuque, California, United States of billionaire, jet private.
Finger slips,
Yeah.
we won't be mad.
I see his socks, yeah. I see your toes.
Excuse me?
I see your toes. Your feet.
Yes, please marry me. Please marry me. I want ladies United States.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jomo Kenyatta.
What? Global Pinata?
Jomo Kenyatta.
Oh, okay. Oh.
I have question.
What's your question?
The first president Kenya is Kenyatta. Who is the first president is Zambia. Yeah. Listen. Do you have husband, please?
No husband.
Oh,
Husband.
you are not the second dan?
No.
Oh, you are single.
I'm single.
All right now. How old you, please?
30.
Eh?
I'm 30. 3
Or 30?
0.
Okay, stand up. I check you.
Oh.
Stand up. I check you. You talking correct or not correct? Stand up.
I don't stand up.
First stand up. I will check you. Buy one get how much you size.
I stand up for a universe. Hi, John. Thank you, Darren.
What you say?
No stand up.
Please marry me.
Marry you? How old are you?
At 21 years old underage.
Hilarious.
You're 21?
Yeah, 21 years old underage.
No.
I'm born in 1999.
1999?
Yeah, 1999. Long time.
That is a long time. Yeah. Okay.
I'm so scared.
Well, it was nice to meet you. I think I'm gonna.
Nice to meet you.
I think I'm gonna go.
Which state do you live, please?
What?
Which state do you live in right now?
A battle? A fight? Is that what you want?
Your watermelon is very beautiful, baby.
Pink? Oh,
You know
yeah.
watermelon?
No.
Leave lol.
I will show you, okay? First, not confuse me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Watermelon is something. Meow, meow, meow.
I don't know what's happening. I think I'm gonna go. It was
Me?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go bye-bye. I don't know what's
I
happening.
want to go, please. I say, marry you. Why you going? Please marry me. I say, marry me. I want to buy one, get one free. I want to marry you. You want to go? Why? Why you go?
I go bye-bye.
You want to go? Okay, kiss me one, kiss me one. Ahora,
I don't know, Sadie. I don't know what's happening, but this
come back next time and in front of you. You are not feeling romantation. You are successfully me. I want to do successfully something romantation. You don't like me. You are second done. Don't like lady second done. Second done. Nice to meet you.
Not nice to
I'm
meet
okay
you.
again. I will shut up for you, China. It is. I will get one free. But nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too, bro.
Where are you from?
Jack.
What you say?
Jack.
Alabama?
Jack.
And again. Where are you from?
Florida.
Oh, fuck. What's the talk is the good answer from?
America.
Oh, nice. Good job. Hagaj. Which state do you live, please?
Huh?
Which state do you live right now?
State?
Yeah.
Florida.
Wow, Florida. You know, Burtuke from Florida. Every day, one day. My management.
Yes, lots of big booty out here.
Speak English, North Africa. I'm not university. Red Sevilla, English, come tomorrow.
Doing in the corner. Hello.
Hi. Hello. Abba.
Hello. Hello.
Abba, but Abba.
What the hell is happening? What the hell? Is everything okay? Hello, you need help?
My mouth. What about? About me. My mouth.
No game.
Where from, bro?
No game. Just say something. I'm scared. Please, wait.
Talk about this. Where from?
No, the power of Christ will compel you. Jesus will help you. I promise. God will help you. Please, the power of Christ. The power of Christ
What you say?
I think he's actor.
will help you. Jesus will help you.
Adam.
Wait.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
No, you can't say that on live. You can't say that on live. nipple. You can't say
Nepal, nice, nice.
You can't say nipple.
Nice president in Nepal. Good, good English.
You can't say nipple. Don't say nipple on live. You can't say that on live.
Solo tengo mente. Fuck,